To access the embedded whiteboard on the RS, there's a button labeled Discussion. Touch that button and it opens the whiteboard. And from here, you can choose your writing utensil on the whiteboard toolbar. There's a pen as well as a highlighter. Do a touch and hold on the writing utensil you wish to use. You can choose your color and your thickness. Once you've made your choice, then you can begin annotating directly on the screen. You also have the ability to erase anything on the screen, and there are a couple of ways to do that. One way is to make a fist and use that as an eraser. You can also use 5 digits of the claw, and that works well. But there are also eraser tools as well as a clear screen tool, that's the broom button, on the whiteboard toolbar. Another way to access the whiteboard from the home screen is using the side toolbar. The second button, which looks like a pen coming down on a piece of paper, that gets you access to the whiteboard as well.